Did you know now you can change your Gmail address without creating a brand new Google account? Actually, after a long time, Google updated their system. So now you can change your old Gmail address with some few easy steps. You can see in there, I have my old Gmail account and I can also change it like this way. So if you really want to learn how to change your Gmail address username, then this video is only for you. So let's get started. So for changing your Gmail address, first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store, and after that you need to update your Gmail application first. Because if you don't update your Gmail application, that time maybe you will not find these features in your Gmail app. So just update your Gmail application. And now click here open option. Then you need to click here your profile icon. This is mine. So let me click this one. And you will find lots of Gmail address in here. So make sure you selected that Gmail account. I mean, which Gmail account address you want to change. So you can switch it from there. So right now I want to change this Gmail address, which is Austin490. So I will change this address. Okay. So let me click here manage your Google account. Then click here personal information. Then click here email there. Then you can see Google account email. So you need to select this one. Then you can see in there is your current Gmail address, which is Austin490. This is my Gmail address. So I need to change it. So now I need to click here change Google account email. And there are some important notice for you. So you can change, you can read it in here. So you can see changing your Google account email won't affect data saved in your account, such as photos and messages. I mean, if you change your Gmail address, that time your YouTube channel and your Google Photos, Google Drive data will be saved. There will be no change. Okay. So now scroll down and you can see in there is a username. So let me choose new username for this email account. So you can see it's already available for me. So I need to click here change email, this option. Then you can see current email address. So there is my current, I mean Austin490. This is my current email address, and the new email address will be Austin876@gmail.com. So the email that you choose here, how will be associated with this Google account, I mean you can read it. Okay. So let me click here yes change Gmail. And you are done. Okay, so let me get back from here and again enter into this email address, and there you can see in their alternative email. So my previous email will be in alternative email, but I add right now a new email address. You can see Austin8760. So from next time, every kinds of email and every single thing will come to this new email address. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can change your Gmail email address or username easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.